We're going to start with Tahiti, coming to the front 8 counts and coming to the back 8 counts. Yes, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now to that, we're going to do Tahiti to this side. 8 counts. The last one is going to be a tap so that we're ready for the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. Now let's put it together. 8 walking forward, no tap. 8 walking back, no tap. To the side with tap. To the side with tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. Now we are going to add hands to this. When we're going forward, our hands are going to be flat. Shoulder width, shoulder height. When we come back, we open. So let's practice that part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when we go to this side, we're going to lift up this palm like the shape of an L. And we keep it that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. And now we switch the L arms to the other side. They're shoulder height, this one, and this one straight up like a letter L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. Okay, let's put together front, back, side, side. 5, 6, preparation position. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap. Good. Now, if you're ready, we're going to try it faster. Okay, so instead of the counting 1, 2, 3, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? A deep breath. Preparation position. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in. Let's try it again. Fast pace. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get a deep breath. Great, let's do a mini cool down here. Just bend down a little bit, stretch over to the side, deep breathing. Very important that you deep breath as a dancer so that you can keep up with the pace. To the other side. Good. Breathe in, we're going to fall forward. Inhale. Exhale down. Relax your neck, let the spine elongate. Move to one leg. And hold. And let's move to the other leg. And hold. Slowly coming all the way up. Deep inhale again. Exhale. Now we're going to stretch our legs. It's important that we take care of the muscles. Just hold it in. Stretch back if you need to. Let's do the other side. And stretch back. Good. Bring it forward. Up. And let's do the other side. Good. Now we're going to stretch the side of our hip. Flex. You can hold onto a wall if you need to. Just come all the way down. And let's switch to the other side. And you're done. If you would like to take more classes with me, check out my YouTube membership. Just go into the homepage, you're going to find the join button, or do it from a desktop, and you will learn more choreography and more advanced steps. If not, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!